Are you tired of dealing with unreliable water storage solutions? Look no further. Introducing the revolution in water storage, FRP Sectional Tanks. At Karoch Engineering Company, we offer top-quality FRP sectional tank supply and installation services that are second to none. Our tanks are made of high-grade fiberglass reinforced plastic, renowned for its incredible strength, durability, and resistance to corrosion. Whether you need a water storage solution for your home, business, or industry, our tanks are the perfect choice. What sets our FRP sectional tanks apart is their modular design and ease of installation. Our expert team will handle the installation process, saving you time and money. But don't just take our word for it. Our satisfied customers have experienced the benefits firsthand. With the versatility of FRP sectional tanks, we can meet the water storage needs of various industries. Upgrade your water storage system to a modern, reliable, and cost-effective solution today. Contact us at Karoch Engineering Company and let our team of experts guide you toward achieving a suitable water storage system. Karoch Engineering Company, your partner in superior water storage solutions.